Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to talk about how to get iOS 16.2 update on your iPhone or iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, here let me show you here in my software updates. Here you can see it's giving me the update for the iOS 16.1 to download and install. But how can you get iOS 16.2? So first of all, go back to your home screen, and the very first thing what you need to do is just here open up Safari browser and tap here on your search bar, and then here search for the beta profiles.dev. Here it is, here this one, and search for this. And here what you need to do is just let it be opened and then scroll it below here, and here is the iOS beta profile. So tap on install profile, again tap on install and tap on allow. Close this one and just go back and again open up here settings app, and then here is the profile downloaded. So tap on this and here tap on install. Give here your passcode for your device and then tap on install again here and tap on not now. Tap on done and just go back here, and here again check and the software update. As you can see, it's giving me the update right now for the iOS 16.2 for beta. You can download and install from here. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.